You know why? Because I had to buy medical supplies.
All right, well, we're gonna get you hooked up, all right?
And I was hungry, okay? I didn't steal anything but shit to eat.
The hospital will take care of that.
You got like a hand basket or something?
He was in here, and he has a big white bag, and he loaded up a bunch of tools and stuff. He's sitting on the Coda bus. The Coda bus driver is still in our store.
Oh.
He's all beat up, his face and everything.
Get your ass out of here.
Sorry.
Give me all that stuff. You got money? Damn, what happened to your finger? What happened to your hand? You get a medic.
That's cool. I'm gonna go pay for this shit.
No, I want to get your hand taken care of.
No, I got surgery today.
You want a medic?
You got that hospital,
All right, come on. Hey,
Yeah.
you're not going back in there. Just give them all your stuff here. You're a mess.
Why don't you let us call you a medic?
I hate the hospital.
Well, do you want to lose your arm?
All right, go ahead, man.
Oh, well, we're not going to waste their time, right? Because they're going to want to take you, obviously. You going to go with them?
Yeah.
All right.
You said it was
The fruit snacks, the donut sticks, the fruit punch. No, there ain't no tools in that bag.
I mean, there's a crate stuff in here. Were you trying to get something to bandage you up?
Yeah, his fingers are falling off. Yeah, are you homeless and did you get frostbite? Is that what it is?
He said frostbite.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we got a medic. That man, dude, they got to look at you.
You got somebody stealing fruit snacks.
Don't argue with
You know why? Because I had to buy medical supplies.
All right, well, we're gonna get you hooked up, all right?
And I was hungry, okay? I didn't steal anything but shit to eat.
The hospital will take care of that.
You got like a hand basket or something?
Man, all that shit is not your guys', man.
The Band-Aids and Neosporin and
This
stuff?
is mine. These are mine. That's mine. Most cops don't give a fuck, man. I do appreciate you.
Well, we're not most cops.
Yeah. Nobody wants to see you lose your arm.
Yeah.
I just hate, man, the hospital.
Listen, I don't try to talk nobody into going to the hospital, but I mean that's bad.
Those 3 fingers right there, man. Your 3 fingers, dude, are probably to the point about getting cut off.
They are. They already
Did they say they definitely got to get cut off?
2 for sure. And the tip of the one.
Well, you know what? It's better than losing your whole arm.
You're not the first person to get frostbite, man. They can treat that stuff.
Yeah, they can if you let them. You gotta let them.
Hey, I got $2. Can I buy that fruit punch?
I'll buy it.
Yeah,
I'm going to go get him a
that could be
drink.
kind of serious.
Hey, I'm going to buy that guy a drink. What was it that he had?
Insert cash and select payment type. Insert cash or pay another way. Please take your change. Cash is dispensed.
How long has it been like this, man?
It would have been over.
Did it get cut up? Why is the skin coming off like that?
Dead skin.
It's just dead skin. I mean, besides on TV, I've never seen somebody with that severe frostbite.
Yeah, that's really bad.
It would have been over with. I just keep leaving against.
Why, man?
Because I'm scared. I'm scared.
Dude, I get that, but now you got to lose fingers over it.
I was gonna lose those 2 regardless. I'm scared of surgery. I'm scared, man. No, I'm scared to get them cut off. I'm scared of surgery.
But listen, you want to live?
Yeah.
All right then.
Yeah, because that could be real bad.
The blood disease alone is going to kill you. You know that. I'm sure they already told you that. Any kind of disease getting inside the blood, man, is going to kill you eventually. Right? I'd rather deal with you right now under these circumstances than somebody call on you, you're dead somewhere in the woods or something like that, and now I got to clean that up. Right? Nobody, I don't know you. I've never seen you before. I don't want anything happening to you, man. You got to get the help, though.
And
You got to stay there.
Another reason I'm like kamikaze is my girl left me on top of everything else.
That's rough. Anybody losing somebody, I mean, that's rough. When's the last time you left out of the hospital?
3 days ago.
3 days ago.
stay this time.
You need to, man.
Yeah, please.
I know it's scary and everything, and you don't want stuff cut off, but that's gonna be the best thing for you. You got you some stuff, man. Help you out. All right. Just hey, promise us, man. You got people helping you out that worry about you. Stay in the hospital. Get that squared away. I know you got to lose your fingers or what, but it beats dying, right? Out here by yourself. All right. So let these guys take you to the hospital and get the treatment you need. All right. All right, man.